Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, dear IAPCO members, it is my great pleasure to address you today at this prestigious gathering, the 55th IAPCO Annual Meeting and General Assembly. As experts in tourism industry and event planning, we all understand that the true power of a successful event lies far beyond its logistics. It shapes industries, fosters innovations, and build global connections. This also is the core of the IAPCO annual meeting. And reflecting on last year's event taking place here in Ljubljana was not only a privilege, it was also a strategic opportunity. And by bringing this esteemed association to our destination, we showcased our local expertise, our infrastructure, our commitment to delivering world-class events, and the event provided a platform to highlight the unique aspects of our region and our city. From our cultural heritage to the cutting-edge industries, experts, endeavors, thus reinforcing our place on the global map of event destinations. And beyond its immediate impact and visibility, last year's IAPCO event enabled us to develop meaningful relationship with PCOs who were previously either less familiar or even unfamiliar with our destination. These connections are instrumental in attracting new conferences and events, particularly in industries that had not previously considered our destination, our location as a viable option. And this resulted only last year in 6 RFPs for our destination, of which 1 has already been confirmed. And IAPCO event was also amongst the first to measure an impact with the innovative tool called Planet Positive Event, where it scored 3.62 out of 5. And through this, creating a benchmark to evaluate its improvement in becoming an even more sustainable event. And by demonstrating our capabilities and potential, we opened doors to new collaborations and positioned our city as an attractive choice for future events. It also gave us a great platform to build better understanding about our about our industry among the local decision makers. And it stressed the potential to bring even more events to our destination in the time of the year where actually you can even almost privatize our city. And events like these are definitely the catalysts for economic growth. And you, the IAPCO members, are the ones who can drive our efforts and support the destination. And we can support you right back. Together, through a thoughtful organization, we can ensure that events leaves a positive impact on participants, on local communities, and on the environment. And this way, we are creating a regenerative effect, whether the events might take place perhaps in Ljubljana or in Taipei.